And those fall colors definitely firing up a little bit early this season, actually. And you may be wondering what causes these leaves to change colors. Fox Carolina's first alert meteorologist Bryan Bachman is here to explain in this moment of science.
Fall is upon us, and that means apple cider donuts, pumpkin spice lattes, and of course, fall colors. So today we're looking at the science behind all those pretty colors that we see as the leaves turn this season. Let's start with the basics. Chlorophyll is the most common compound we see in plants. It gives all green plants and leaves their color, and it also enables plants to make food from sunlight through the photosynthesis process. It breaks down in fall when the chillier temperatures and shorter days hit, and it's what that chlorophyll leaves behind in the leaves that ultimately dictates what color they turn. So if our leaves begin to turn red, that's a compound called anthocyanin. It produces the red, purple, and blue colors that we see in plants, but excess sugar also needs to be present in leaves in order to bring out that vibrant red color that we see in the fall. It's also found in things like red apples, cherries, and blueberries. For reference, if our leaves turn orange, that's from a compound or compounds called carotenoids. They produce or are produced in plant cells during the growing season, and they actually also serve as a bit of a sunblock for plants. They give carrots, pumpkins, and other orange vegetables and plants their trademark color. Xanthophyll, that's where we get our yellow fall colors from, also part of the carotenoid family. It aids in plant growth and provides protection from sun damage, and it's found in things like bananas as well as corn. But why do we get to fall in the first place? Why do the leaves ultimately shed off of our trees? Well, the trees conserve and absorb energy stored in the leaves once we hit the fall season, and that stored energy is critical to help the trees or other plants survive through the winter months. A warm fall, surge of fall weather, however, can bring a late burst of green if things are warm enough long enough, so not out of the question to maybe see some green return if weather conditions are right. But speaking of the role that weather plays in how our fall colors play out, the most ideal scenario to give us the best vivid colors, we want warm sunny days and cool nights. That'll give us the most prolonged and most vivid color throughout the fall season. Rainy weather, though, a rainy fall can actually kind of diminish the overall color. Of course, can make leaves tend to fall a little bit faster, too, so that's not what we want. Worst thing of all, though, would be an early freeze, because that can trigger a sudden leaf drop, causing the leaves to completely shed their trees to shed their leaves before we even get to see those colors in the first place. So we'll keep you posted on our fall outlook in the coming months, but be ready to view all those beautiful colors. That's your moment of science. I'm Bryan Bachman.